In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove suggestions on Google Chrome. Many of us have experienced auto-completed search suggestions that pop up as we're typing in the browser. While these can be useful, sometimes they can also be distracting or unnecessary. I'm going to walk you through how you can turn off these autocomplete suggestions so your browsing experience is personalized to your preferences. To start, open up your favorite web browser and head to google.com. That's the starting point for where you'll find the settings to adjust these suggestions. Once you're on the Google homepage, take a look down at the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see an option there that says Settings. Go ahead and click on that. Clicking Settings brings up a variety of options, and we're looking for something specific, so stay with me here as we go through this. From the list of options that appears, select Search Settings. This section is where you can customize how your searches are performed and what kind of suggestions Google provides. From here, you'll notice there's a sidebar on the left side with a list of different settings categories. Among these, you'll see Other Settings. Click on Other Settings to reveal more detailed options related to your browsing experience. Now, this is where the magic happens. In this area, you'll find a checkbox that says Autocomplete with Trending Searches. This feature is what enables those trending topics and searches to pop up in your search bar as suggestions. If you're finding these suggestions more of a hindrance than a help, all you need to do is uncheck this box. By doing so, you're telling Google not to show you those trending searches as autocomplete suggestions in the future. A quick tip here. After unchecking the box, make sure to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save to ensure that your changes are applied. If you don't hit Save, you might find that your preferences are not updated the next time you use Google, and that's how you remove suggestions on Google Chrome. This simple tweak can lead to a more streamlined browsing experience, free of unwanted or distracting suggestions. It's all about making technology work for you in the way that suits you best. Don't forget to revisit these settings anytime you feel like experimenting with your preferences or adjusting them as your browsing habits change. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you take control over your search experience on Google Chrome.